Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today we are going to start our O levels accounting. As you know about the syllabus comprises of around how many chapters we have here? Mm, I think so. Things been mentioned here. It has 25 chapters, and we will discuss all those in very detail. In section 1, we are going to start our purpose of accounting and accounting equation. Stay connected with me, and if you want to take help in UAE from me, you can call me or WhatsApp me 0097156734130 I'm available for you for live classes. You can also join us. Okay, let's start. You know, we have two papers, paper 1, paper 2, and multiple choice and structured questions. But my basic focus in this course is that I would primarily work on your concepts. And the reason behind that is when I was student, I faced lot of challenges and lot of difficulties while studying this sub course. And not only I'm following this book, but I have also prepared some of my own principles by using existing principles to help students. So stay connected for this course so I can easily help all of you guys. Now, what is accounting and what is bookkeeping? Let me start with a giving example. Suppose you are a student and you want to join any institute or the college or the high school. First of all, well, what would you do? You will go to the school or the college and ask them for recording your name. So your name would be recorded. Later on, they will send you to the class. During class, when you will study, you will make the summary, and later on, your results give the interpretation, right? And those results will be communicated to your parents or the whatever who will be your guardian. Accounting is similar like that. First of all, you have to record, then classify, summarize, analyze, and interpret and communicate the results. But what type of things you have to record in the accounting? Monetary transactions. Monetary transactions. So transactions mean dealing. Monetary mean money. Money means cash. So where cash involved, you have to record, classify, summarize, analyze, interpret, and communicate. So I think after this example, the definition will definitely will be clear. And when we will compare it with the bookkeeping, in bookkeeping, we are just doing point number A, means collecting and recording the data, means recording the data. So after this, you will be clear. Financial data, I already talk about that. Monetary data, which can be measured in term of money. Financial statements. Financial statements are of different types. I'm going to tell the name. First is income statement. Second is balance sheet. Here he just mentioned just one, which is income statement and balance sheet. But actually these are five. But in your course, he has mentioned just two statements. So next is cash flow, and fifth is equity statement, and the last is notes, right? So I'm going to talk about these financial statements and balance sheet. Here, one thing common is both show financial position, right? Financial position. What does that mean? Means that how much you have money in your pocket. Means how is your financial health, how much cash you have, how much profit you have, right? This show financial position. Both show financial positions. Then where is the difference? The difference is of period, time. It shows from 1st Jan to 31st December. During that period means 12 months. During 12 months, whether we earn or we lose, right? That has been showed by the income statement. And what does it show? It shows the financial position on particular date, right? On a particular date, what we have in our pocket, that has been shown by the balance sheet. And rest income statement, what does that show? It tells about what we did in past 12 months, whether we earn profit, whether we earn loss. Means this show profit or loss, and this show the financial position on particular date, how much cash we have in our pocket, right? This shows profit and loss, and this show how much we have in our pocket, right? So I think so both concepts are clear to you. Now let's move on. For context, my number is available. You can contact me, right? These things are very simple, and you can see from here. Financial income statement, as I already told you about that. Financial, along with statement of financial position, financial statement of financial position is also called balance sheet, right? Keep in mind. And income statement is also called profit and loss statement. Profit and loss statement. So keep in mind and make the notes. Activity I know you can do easily. Purpose of accounting. The major purpose is to record the things. Major purpose is to record the thing. Important financial information should be recorded. It helps in decision making, and it's provide information to the interested parties. So it's very clear, it's very simple. And next we have rest. We will discuss in our next lecture. It's a startup, and I would request stay with me. In case of any confusion, you can talk to me. You can call me. I'm in UAE. As you know, my number is given to you. You can contact me on this number. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed and subscribe my channel.